So hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Have a good day guys. Ayun, ang coffee natin ayun pa. So early in the morning. So we have guys. Ayun. Let's have eat bread. Mm. mm. Ayun ang coffee natin guys. Mm. So hot pa. Mm. How are you today guys? Mm. Have a good day. Mm. While drinking coffee guys, so enjoy. I think have a good weather. So, maglalaba pa ako guys. Hindi pa ako tapos. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much.